Come here. Boo!
I want to get this on video.
You know what would be hilarious is if it attacked him. Wow, they're getting pretty good at not fainting. These are fainting goats, by the way, so don't call PETA on me.